Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by opening Google Forms and creating a new form titled with course and date so records are clear. Add a short answer question for student name or ID and mark it required. This ensures everyone submits identifiable data. Then enable collect email addresses and limit to one response to prevent duplicates and tie submissions to Google accounts. Once done, set response destination to a Google Sheet so you can analyze attendance later and avoid manual copying. Next, customize questions and add logic to make the form work for real classrooms. Create drop-downs for period or section to route students correctly, and include a remote versus in-person question for attendance context. Use conditional logic to show a late check-in reason only when someone marks late, so the sheet captures crucial notes without clutter. Make sure the linked spreadsheet records the timestamp automatically. This is how you verify on-time arrivals and run simple filters later. Finally, share the form and complete a quick verification pass. Send the link or embed in your LMS, adjust permissions so students can sign in, and test with one student account to confirm email capture and timestamping. In the spreadsheet, add formulas to mark present, late, or absent automatically so you save manual grading time. If you see duplicates or missing emails, check sharing settings and limit to one response. Resetting permissions and resending the link usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.